I've tried to give 47 years of Zen practice in an evening. Should be a lot of fun, should be a challenge for everybody and for myself to really see what it is to embody Zen and yet be free from Zen at the same time, so that it appeals to people who have no aspiration to get more into Zen than just appreciating their life more. And it'll also be very deep for those who want to go much further in their practice with Zen. So I hope to include all that in a couple hours that we have that evening. And I'm looking forward to it. Thank you.